Welcome back, guys. Welcome back into my YouTube channel. And before proceeding further, I would like to request you kindly subscribe this channel. So, not wasting much of your time, I would like to tell you about today's tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to explain some diagnostic codes, secret codes by which we can diagnose mic and the touch screen of this Samsung phone. I have not tested this on any other phone, but for Samsung it is working. So first go to the dialer mode. In dialer mode, just dial star #0283. Please note it down. As soon as I will press hash again, then the complete code will star #0283 hash. It will go into the diagnostic mode of mics. In my phone there is only two mics, and if I insert earphone, then it will also active. It is inhibited now, it will active after insertion of earphone. So how to test? Just press start. Now say hello. You can see the voice, you can hear the voice. So stop. By this we can test the first mic also. In the latest version of One UI 3.14.15.1, the number of mics have been increased, and we can test and diagnose each mic ourselves. So this is a good secret code. Now coming to the second, just dial star #0 star hash. So the code was star #0 star hash. As soon as we enter it, we will enter into the diagnostic screen for touch screen. Here red, green, blue are the above. If we touch any portion, it will just turn into the written color blue. Then receiver, we will hear one voice in vibration. The phone will vibrate. In mega cam, the rear cam will work. Grip sensors, we can see the grip sensors. Then sensors here, accelerometer sensors, visual proximity sensors, gyroscope sensor, magnetic sensor, fingerprint sensors. We can do self test also. Magnetic sensor pass, fingerprint normal scan, it is passed. Flash test is not applicable here. So this is the sensors. We can see the touch is working or not. Just touch all the blocks. As soon as we touch the last block, it will come out of this screen. This means the touch is working. So all blocks have been touched and it has come from that screen. This means touch is good. Then speakers, we can hear the voices. Then sub key means this volume up, down, and power on key, and this key. If we press that, the color will change. This, and this out. Now front camera can be checked here. The screen will go back as soon as I touch this corner. So just coming out from that, this is for the version. So this is all about how to test touch screen is working properly or not. So these are the two secret code I have covered in this video. The first one is star #0283 hash, that is for mic, and the second one is star #0 star hash, that is for testing and diagnosing the touch problem. So this is all about today's tutorial. If you like this video, please share with your friends, and please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.